Well, ladies and gentlemen, very good evening. Look to your left, it's the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team. It's the Red Arrows. Pulling up there at around 720 kilometers per hour, reaching 6,000 feet. You see the aircraft, which were 7 meters apart, now arrive at the top of this loop at around 2 meters apart as they form a short diamond shape.
Come in. Left. Now.
That's the voice of Red 1, squadron leader David Montenegro. It's David's first year as the team leader. Formerly, David flew the Tornado F3 in the air defence role before joining the Red Arrows initially in 2009 and then flew until 2011. Directly ahead now, you see a very wide shape is forming. Reds 8 and 9 have moved to the outsides, and from Red 9's left wingtip through to Red 8's right wingtip, this formation measures a staggering 100 meters wide. 300 feet wide, this formation, as they come in this left-hand turn to show us a shape called Phoenix. Fabulous being back here at Sanicole. It's been a while since the Red Arrows have been to this air show. In fact, I believe the last time was 2008, when the weather was not quite as nice as it is this evening. We only managed the first 5 minutes of our display, so we're really hoping we keep this fabulous blue sky and the sunset and get the rest of our display in. Well, out to the right now, we've got a shape of chevron, ready as we fly the chevron roll. And on the right of the leader is Red 2, who's the first of our new pilots. Like Lieutenant Mike Bowden. Let's all give a big wave to the pilots, everybody. A big wave as they go upside down at 2,500 feet above us. The jets in that formation of chevron are only 2 meters apart. Red 1 flying at the front of this shape, and on the left are the odd-numbered pilots, the even-numbered pilots flying on as we form a new shape. This year, the Royal Air Force is celebrating the 75th anniversary of the Battle of Britain. Now, to honour all of those who took part in the Battle of Britain, this shape is Spitfire.
Hold in the bank. Now, right.
The 5 smokes come on now. Reds 4 and 5 drop back. Reds 8 and 9 move forward, and as the smoke comes off, you can see they have formed our famous trademark shape, and they'll shortly be coming back round in front of you to show you that shape. So please get your cameras ready. Cameras ready. The smoke is about to come on in diamond. At the bottom of that formation, as we look at it, is the last of our 3 new pilots. He is Red 5, Flight Lieutenant Tom Bolger for this year. Get ready as the team fly the Whirlwind. pilots there in the whirlwind fly, and they're going to show us the planform of a very fast former American spy plane, the SR-71. So, back in the Cold War, the SR-71, that very fast American spy plane, it was known as the Blackbird.
Out, reverses, left, now.
Cameras ready. This is Blackbird.
It's fight, now, time.
Cameras ready. Rolling out directly ahead to start the second half of the display with the detonator. The 5 aircraft of Enid fan out at the front. Keep your eyes on Jippo. With his smoke changing from blue to white over on the right-hand side is Red 6, who is the leader of our synchro pair. He is Flight Lieutenant Mark Lawson. Mark is in his 3rd and final year as a Red Arrows pilot, and his background in the Royal Air Force was as a tornado above the airfield. Their closing speed is now 800 miles per hour. They get ready for the Jippo pass. Synchro pair now leave their smoke on. They're turning away from us now, each pilot pulling 6G, or 6 times the force of gravity. The pilots are now working very hard to fight the G-force as they roll out towards us to fly the Cyclone. Pair slingshot to the front. Now look to your right, 45 degrees. In the direction of the fuel tanker, where you'll see the 5 aircraft of Enid. In from the left is Red 9. He gets ready to fly the Goose.
Coming right now.
Pulling up at 500 miles an hour at 5G. The aircraft reach a height of 7,000 feet. So on comes their red smoke as they get ready to draw a fabulous heart in the setting sun here at Sanicole. Top right of this heart is Red 8 at a final touch. He is Flight Lieutenant Ollie Parr. He's a 3rd-year pilot. Cameras ready. Up at 400 miles an hour in a 7-ship Vixen formation.
Right now.
Red 1 now twists this loop towards us through 90 degrees.
Hold in place now.
Now This is the vertical brake. Pulling 6G, the pilots are going to cross 3 times. Now watch at each of these 3 crosses how they swap their smoke colour. They're using the individual colour control buttons in each of the aircraft. Reds 1, 2, 3 and 5 form a box shape. Now the 5th aircraft rolls around them 12 times. This is the Twister. Getting very dizzy with his red smoke changing blue is Red 4. He's Lieutenant Stu Campbell. Stu is a second-year pilot with the Red Arrows, and his background was flying the Tornado before he joined the Red Arrows. Now look left as we look for the 4 aircraft of Jippo. In the first half we saw a barrel roll. Now get ready for a very different barrel roll.
Easy. Up. And roll.
You can hear it in his voice. He's pushing minus 2.5 G. He's now the right way up. The other 3 are the wrong way up as they fly the mirror roll.
Holding up. Now. And 6. Rolling out.
You can hear it in his voice. Minus 2.5 G. Very uncomfortable, ladies and gentlemen. I can tell you from experience. Those fabulous rollback finish from the right-hand side. Bring your eyes further right as we find the 4 aircraft of Jippo.
6. Rolling in.
Red 6 and 7 now roll upside down.
And 9. Roll. Go.
This is the corkscrew. Red 7 there working hard. He's red, white and blue. Shape of a snake in the sky now as they fly the Python.
Hold the light. Now.
See Enid change their smoke colours there. The white smoke is in fact just diesel fuel that is injected into the aircraft's engine exhaust, and that burns at 400 degrees, and that makes diesel vaporise to produce white smoke. We get the red and blue by adding a dye to the diesel, and we can carry 5 minutes of white smoke and a minute each of red and blue. Looking directly ahead now to find
And 9. Roll.
Reds 8 and 9 pitch up to roll around 6 and 7. They then perform their own rolls. Cameras ready for the Jippo break.
Go.
With his smoke changing from blue to white over on the left-hand side is Red 7. He is Synchro number 2, Flight Lieutenant Steve Morris. Steve's in his 3rd year with the team, and his background was flying both the Harrier GR9 and the Tornado GR9. Ladies and gentlemen, please, a round of applause for the Synchro pair. now being joined by Reds 8 and 9 for the displays finale. Their smoke is on. They're back in Vixen formation. Get your cameras ready for the Vixen break. You've been watching the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, the Red Arrows.